me show you how we get it outside.
MAF GigEcon, as my GigEcon business is called. And I just want to give y'all a quick update on Roadie because we ran into some issues on Roadie. I want to talk about that on today's video. But before we get into that, if y'all new here, make sure y'all punch that subscribe button, ring that sexy bell, and Hulk smash that like button. And let's get this channel to 1K subs. I'm getting ready to leave my new market. I know it's sad, but it's time to get back to DMV. You know, my dad needs my help on Tuesday with some of his properties, getting that ready for inspection. So I'm going to help him with that Tuesday. But Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I will be driving. So I'll definitely be having content on this channel Monday, Wednesday, Friday, just like I always do. And we might pop up a live stream on the channel. But let's get into why I'm making this video. And I'm going to do a quick update. Now, I love the Roadie platform. Very good platform. You know, this week I delivered dog feed, animal feed. I delivered auto parts. And I also did prescriptions. Now, I didn't know about this feature, but they have a feature where you can toggle it on in the settings to turn the picture saving feature on there, for instance like this, because I did not have signal. So I was only able to get the first picture of the medication, but I wasn't able to get the second picture, so they couldn't confirm the second pay. Now, I talked to support. They're very nice. They said that that payment for the second pharmacy order is still pending. They said that they confirmed it, so I'm going to get back on with them. And once I get my pay from that pharmacy order, I'll let you guys know about that. But so far, Roadie is a really good platform. I would suggest people sign up for Roadie. It's very easy. I'll leave the link in the description down below so you can sign up for Roadie and add that to your GigEcon business for other deliveries. Because like there's a range of deliveries. They tell you what you're delivering, the heaviest item. They also give the description of all the items that you're picking up. And you can make more money than the traditional food delivery apps like the Grubhub, the DoorDash, Uber Eats. You can make more money than those apps per delivery. And I really enjoy it. You know, the wide range of deliveries. The good thing about pharmacy deliveries is that you can leave it at the door, but you have to have permission from the customer to be able to deliver the medication. And even if you get written consent from the customer, you still have to put in the notes where you delivered it, to the front door and etc. But I like the app. You know, it's something different. Because in my new market, we can't do VHO. Because the closest VHO location is 2 hours away, and that's not feasible. Even if I got a $100 routes every single day, the driving to and from the facility is not feasible. It just isn't, especially on gas. But I would suggest you sign up for Roadie. It's definitely a good app. Definitely a good app. I just came with that hiccup. Partially my fault, because I didn't have that picture save feature on there where I can just upload the picture a second time because it's the same medication. Instead, I took a picture in the cab. But it says pending. I'm going to reach out to them either today or tomorrow. May give them a day. Reach out to them tomorrow because they may be closed, the support. because of the holiday. That's all good. But I'll reach out to him tomorrow, check the status on that pay, because it's not on the pending thing, but they know of it. They just have to release the pay. So I'm going to contact them to get in with that. But I'll check in with y'all next video or live stream, because I'm going to hit this road like Mr. Vontae Davis did when he left that stadium at halftime. And I'll see y'all soon. Peace.
Baby girl love my bop and unlike me too. No roof on my top and my babe see-through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so why I need you? Baby girl love my bop and unlike me too. No roof on my top and my babe see-through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind.